guys, welcome to Lewis Play. The Lewis Show. My name is Lewis, and today I'm going to be reading to you one of my favourite one of my favourite book series, even though I've only read 2 of them, and that is Horrible Science. I'm reading Sounds Dreadful, and something tells me there's going to be a lot of interesting stuff. If you're not used to using any type of educational things, then I don't think you're gonna like having these. But they do have lots of neat things in them. Let's be true here. But before this starts, I've got a question to you. I have a question for you that needs one of 3 answers. Should I put the Lewis Show on Lewis Plays, put the Lewis Show on the Megan and Lewis Show, or put the Lewis Show on a different channel, a different account completely? Leave it in the comments below. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. From the title it says, "Can you hear me?" and 100% horrible. Horrible Science, Sounds Dreadful. Nick Ireland, I think. Illustrated by Tony De Salons. Here are the contents, but you probably don't want to see that, so without further ado, yes, science book sounds dreadful. Sounds cool to me. Anyway, let's get started. Introduction. Listen to this. The younger you are, the louder you are. Babies love making noise. Metal. No. I'm terrible at baby expression. And so the kids. I can yell louder than you, but you can't. I won't show you many things. And teenagers think really loud music is brilliant. Turn that thing off. But as people grow older, they change. They settle down and quieten down. Your parents no longer think loud is good. They think that anything loud sounds dreadful, especially loud things that made by you. Will you quit being quiet if you stop shouting at us? So you better read this book quietly. And guess what? Teachers are even worse. A quiet class is a happy class. Not talking in a class or corridor. And if you must read, do it quietly. Oh dear. Don't take this into serious, any teachers that are watching this. These books are only for fun and for kids, so don't take it seriously. In fact, the only sound teachers seem to enjoy is the sound of their own voices, sounding off some of those boring things. See, like science, for example. And just to put you off the idea of making noise, teachers teach you about sound and science. Sound waves are molecular vibrations. Blah 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 witter. Yeah, maybe turn away on. Sounds dreadful, doesn't it? But it doesn't have to be this. But it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be. Listen to a few more exciting sound facts and see if they make your ears prunk up and sing a noise that can shine glass. Sound makes your eyeballs shiver in their sockets. Sound stuns and even kills people. And that's not all. The book is full of facts about the world of dreadful sounds. From bells that can make you burst your blood vessels to sinister sound guns and that can make you dash for the toilet. What? Read all about it, and afterwards you can sound off in science class in your heart's contents. You're bound for a good hearing. In your heart's content, you're bound to get a good hearing. And who knows? You could become a big noise in science. One thing's for sure, the world will never sound the same to you again. And now, you're all ears, just turn the page. That's complete. Let's go. What do you have following coming? Your pet now? House, your science teacher, a 60-piece orchestra? Give up? No, the answer isn't that they all eat cheese. The correct answer is they all use sound to grab your attention, and the orchestra needs sound to play a symphony. The mouse needs sound to squeak, and your science teacher, well, just imagine there was no such thing as sound. You couldn't listen to a boring science teacher and she'd never get to tell you off. That wouldn't be tragic for animals. Sound is equally vibrated because just going to turn that boring science there. But for animals, sound is equally vital because just like us, animals can use sound to pass a vital message. Just imagine what would happen if your dog could whimper, then it was time to go for walkies. You might forget to take him out. Silent message. Take for walkies. Smelly message. Smells like, speak up like a scientist. Scientists have their very own language, which only they understand. Now's your chance to learn a few key words, and afterward you can sound off and amaze your friends and silence your teacher with your word power. Enormous amplitude. This means how loud a sound is. Stronger sound waves needs louder sounds or greater amplitude. That word amplitude comes from ample, which also means big. High amplitude sound waves, big sound equals big sound waves. Ample scientist. Chew, gobble, scoff, munch, and amp dinner. Sure, why not? Fascinating frequency. Just a bit of time again. Frequency makes the number of vibrations a second that makes up a sound. A vibration is the scientific name of a wobble. These can be ear-boggling fast. For example, bats can squeak over 100,000 vibrations a second. High frequency means that the sound is higher, which is why bats squeak rather than growl. By the way, frequency is measured by hertz, pronounced hertz and written with HZ. What? So, higher frequency means more hertz. So, tune for tones. No, this has nothing to do with keeping in tone by physical exercise. A tone is sound where just one frequency, just to confuse you. More sounds have lots. Most sounds have lots all mixed up. I'm going to end it there because the video was getting long. So, thank you very much for watching. My name is Lewis, and I'll see you all later. Bye.